Welcome to this video on selecting the ideal power backup for your needs, UPS or inverter. We begin with Part 1, Core Definitions, understanding the fundamental technology behind backup power. An uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, offers instant switching to battery power, typically in less than 10 milliseconds. It shields sensitive electronics from voltage surges and provides a short runtime for safe shutdowns, usually 15 to 30 minutes. Power inverters provide scalability for several hours using external batteries and have high capacity for heavy loads like fans, lights, and fridges. However, their slower transition of 30 to 50 milliseconds may cause computers to reboot. The switching time gap is crucial. A UPS's 5 millisecond speed prevents crashes, making it essential for data integrity. Inverters, with their 50 millisecond speed, are better for less sensitive home appliances. Clean Power, a pure sine wave, matches grid electricity and is required for motors, laptops, and medical gear. Modified sine wave is a cheaper, stepped approximation that can cause humming in fans or damage high-end electronics. In this side-by-side comparison, a UPS is ideal for IT gear and servers due to its minimal switching delay and built-in voltage regulation. Inverters are best for home appliances, providing long-duration power at a lower cost per hour, but with a slower transition. Moving on to Part 2, Use Case Scenarios, we will match the technology to your daily environment. For a home office, a UPS is required. It ensures zero data loss, prevents Wi-Fi router rebooting, and allows for safe hardware shutdown, protecting sensitive PC components from voltage ripples. For whole home backup, an inverter is required. It prioritizes comfort and visibility during extended outages, powering lights, keeping ceiling fans running, and supporting small fridges and appliances. Can you get the best of both worlds? Yes. Options include smart inverters with UPS mode switching, a hybrid setup using both a large inverter and a small dedicated UPS, or a solar edge system for grid-independent backup. When considering the backup duration per dollar, inverters offer significantly better return on investment for long-duration backup compared to consumer UPS, though they lack the precision protection of a UPS. For your final decision, ask yourself, is my device sensitive? How long are my outages? And what is my budget? This will guide you toward a UPS for sensitive electronics and data, or an inverter for extended appliance runtimes. Thank you for watching this video on power backup selection.